Where's the ether? Mescaline's not working.
Oh. There we go. Right. Yeah, why not?
Shake hands with danger.
Ah, devil ether. Total loss of all basic motor skills.
Oh.
When you hear yourself mumbling. Don't expect a pull. No fault of mine. Good women. Ether is the perfect drug for Las Vegas. In this town, they love a drunk. Fresh meat.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
So they put us through the turnstiles and turned us loose inside.
Oh, yeah.